Want to update NAPS2 to the latest version? Keeping the software up to date gives you access to new features, bug fixes, and better scanner compatibility. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to update NAPS2 safely using the official website. First, open NAPS2 and check which version you're currently using. You can usually find this by opening the Help menu and selecting About, depending on your version of the application. This lets you compare your installed version with the latest release. Next, open your web browser and go to the official NAPS2 download page. Compare the latest available version with the one installed on your computer. If a newer version is available, you're ready to update. Click the installer that matches your operating system. For most Windows users, the standard installer is the recommended choice. Wait for the download to finish before moving on to the installation. Once the installer has finished downloading, open it and follow the setup wizard. In most cases, the installer updates your existing copy of NAPS2 without removing your scan profiles or settings. It only takes a minute or two to complete. After the installation finishes, launch NAPS2 again and return to the About window to confirm that the new version is installed. If the version number matches the latest release, your update was successful, and that's how to update NAPS2 to the latest version. Keeping the software up to date helps improve stability, adds new features, and ensures the best compatibility with your scanner. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.